Yeah. All right. So moving on from what will hopefully be resolved in the next couple of weeks on the spike here, let's talk about some of the longer term strategies for addressing this. You mentioned the vaccine. There are conversations about other therapeutics. Maybe talk for a minute about where are we in the vaccine development. You just announced the first trial for phase 1 to test the safety. What's the time frame for having something like that go through all of the different trials? How could we expedite that? What should people expect on that?
Okay, so if you look, I mean, to give our viewers and listeners a perspective, if this were, 10, 15, 20 years ago, and it was for any vaccine that we wanted to make, you would say a vaccine from the time you start to the time it's approved to be safe and effective is several years, 5, 6, 7 years. That's unacceptable for now. So what happened is that as soon as we got the sequence of the virus from the Chinese, we pulled it out of the public database and stuck the gene into a vaccine platform and worked on it literally within a day of when it came out. 65 days later, namely 2 days ago, we gave the first injection to a normal volunteer for a phase 1 trial to see if it's safe. That's the fastest that's ever been done. That's the good news. The challenging news is that even at that rocket speed, it's going to take a few months to show that the initial safety is okay. Then you go into a phase 2 trial, which instead of involving 45 people, which we have in the phase 1 trial, it involves hundreds, if not thousands of people. That will take another 6 to 8 months to even know if it works. So at the fastest we can go, it's going to take a year to a year and a half to know if we have a vaccine that we can use. So apropos of the question you asked me a moment ago, that if we cycle to another season, that's when a vaccine is going to be very relevant.